This is the Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to an amazing 100 meters deep and propel faster than 2 meters per second. It can rise and dive vertically just like a real submarine and can inspect objects at an adjustable 45-degree angle. With 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video even on preset angles and depths. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. You can explore the deep ocean and reach where you never reached before. It can be easily controlled through your smartphone, and with our intuitive remote steering control, you can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Wi-Fi, as well as connect to a big screen TV via HDMI. You can even live stream on YouTube and share instantly to Facebook so that all your friends and fans can join in the fun. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?
summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
We're also doing something that we don't think has ever been done before. We're releasing a series of videos bringing you inside of the factories that make some of the components for the Spry, and also show you the working conditions of these factories, and also learn how LiPo batteries are made, propellers are made, and how the whole manufacturing process works.
We've spent years in the design stage to push the limits and redefine the capabilities of drones in general. The only thing that's missing to make the Spry a reality at an affordable price is you. By supporting this project, you will be the first one to get your hands on the very first Spry. Check out the different reward levels and help the project go viral by sharing it with all your friends.
The history of underwater remotely operated vehicles is that they've been prohibitively expensive. They're something that only the military has, or oil and gas companies, or big research institutions. They've been big, they've been expensive. That wasn't okay with us. So we started building these tools for ourselves. We wanted a tool that was portable, that we could bring anywhere, that we could send down below the surface and give us views of these underwater places that we couldn't go with our physical bodies. The camera on Trident is specially tuned for low light environments underwater. It streams beautiful video back to the surface. It makes you feel like you're really there.
Trident's capable of going to depths of 100 meters, which is several times deeper than any scuba diver would go recreationally. And it's also capable of getting into spots that may be too dangerous for divers to go, like inside of shipwrecks or caves. We're really trying to broaden the horizons for what people can see using this type of technology. We're really proud of what Trident looks like on the outside. It's clearly a very beautiful vehicle. Every aspect of that shape is functional. It's extremely hydrodynamic and very low drag, which also allows it to go very fast. About 2 meters per second, which is about the speed of Michael Phelps in the Olympics. It's also designed to be really rugged, to make sure that it would be able to function in some of the harshest environments. One of the things a user of Trident will notice is how easy it is to fly. It's kind of like how you'd picture going through the water in a dream. It sort of glides, and you can dive over cliffs and really just have the complete freedom to do whatever you want underwater.
This is really a device to bring you up to the edge of discovery of what humans know about this part of our planet and allowing you to take the driver's seat to see what's out there.